Hi everybody, I'm the Break Doctor, and the Doctor is in. Tonight, we have two breaks coming at you. First, we got a 7 blaster box break, 4 illusions, and 3 absolute memorabilia. Second, we got 1 box of Immaculate Collegiate Basketball 2020, just came out. We're doing random team on that, and we do still have spots left if anyone's interested. On the blaster boxes, we do not. So, everyone paid and got in on time, so I appreciate that. Let's start off by reading some names and we'll get to work. If you have any interest in the Immaculate Collegiate random teams, they are $20 a spot below retail. So if you want in, let me know in the chat. So John P with the Cardinals, KCT with the Falcons, Jamie T with the Ravens, Joe D with the Bills, Jamie T with the Panthers and Bengals, JH with the Bears, Joe C with the Browns, Jamie T with the Cowboys, Andrew F with the Broncos, JH with the Lions, Ryan H with the Packers, KCT with the Texans, Jamie T with the Colts, JH with the Chiefs, Joe L with the Raiders, Gene M with the Chargers, Jamie T with the Rams, Andrea V, Jags, Anthony B Dolphins, Victor T Vikings, Ted M Patriots, KCT Saints, James B Giants, Andrea V Jets, Josh M Eagles, Andrea V 49ers, Ted M Seahawks, Joe D Steelers, Andrea V Buccaneers, Josh M Titans, and Andrea V for the Redskins. Hopefully I got those all right. Alrighty, let's get moving. Where's my box cutter? Where'd I put it? I don't know where I put it, group. Well, guess I'm going old school with little scissors tonight. Alright, so we're going to open the 4 illusions. 4 illusions first, and then we'll move on to the absolute, mainly because I want to pull a Kaboom last. Sup, losers. Well, that's not very nice, Bob. Alright. Titans, AJ Brown. Christian McCaffrey. Our first insert, green, Michael Pittman going to the Colts. I'll sleeve off camera, so don't worry about that. Carson Wentz, I lost my job. Gabriel Davis, he's kind of turned his season around. And then Tom Brady, the GOAT, going to the Bucks. Each blaster has 1 Great Expectations memorabilia card. It should have 2 inserts, 2 Estate cards, I should say. J.K. Dobbins to the Ravens. Robert Woods, Rams. Brandon Ayuk, 49ers. Lamar Jackson, nice hit, Ravens. Clear shots. There you go. Nice card. Nice card. So that's acetate for the Ravens. CeeDee Lamb going to the Cowboys. And Edelman going to the Patriots. Well, we've pulled some good name rookies out of 2 packs. Still waiting on the quarterbacks, but I think we were all waiting on Herbert this weekend to do something against the Patriots, and that didn't happen. But he's still the best, in my opinion. Best rookie. Julio Jones, Falcons. Jacob Eason going to the Colts. Taysom Hill, Saints. I heard some people talking that they think he should start over Breeze even once Breeze is healthy. I don't know about that, but next, Van Jefferson to the Rams. I've got a nice little Van Jefferson collection going. Jimmy G to the 49ers, and Kenyon Drake to the Cardinals. Feeling some fire? I'll feel some fire if we can get a Kaboom. I've always wanted to pull a Kaboom, and I never have. It's like the one thing in cards. Leonard Fournette to the Jags. Nice Chase Young. He's playing well tonight. Steelers struggling a little bit with the Washington football team. Darius Slayton on my fantasy team and continues to disappoint. Actually, not disappoint. Just not be what I want him to be. Nice hit. Outstanding. Oh, outstanding. Astounding. Wow. Whew. Who would have guessed I'm a doctoral student, right? Peyton Manning to the Colts. That's a nice hit. Nice hit. Colts. Followed by your boy, Joe Burrow. Hopefully he gets healthy. Nice hit, Bengals. Who's got the Bengals tonight? Bengals and Colts with some good hits there. Jamie T. And Jamie T. Nice. Back-to-back cards. There you go. And Will Fuller. I took steroids, Fuller. I trusted the wrong doctor, I mean. Nice Joe Burrow. Okay. Darrington Evans to the Titans. Tannehill to the Titans. Bryan Edwards. I thought he'd do a little more than he has so far. For the Raiders. T. Higgins. Nice. Bengals. Drew Brees. And Cole Kmet going to the Bears. Nice Kmet. And here will be our hit. Should be a Great Expectations memorabilia card. See, it's a little thicker. Teddy Bridgewater. Panthers. DeAndre Swift. Lions. Keenan Allen. Chargers. On the back. Jerry Jeudy. For the Broncos. And then Dak Prescott in our hit. Heading to the Bengals. T. Higgins. Great Expectations. Not the Bengal you wanted, but not a bad Bengal nonetheless. There we go. Nice hit, Bengals. Okay, on to box number 2. Need me to fix anything? There we go. I'm trying to think. I think actually everything around the house looks pretty good right now. Despite the unorganization you see behind me. It's finals week next week, so my organization with classes ending has not been great. Will Fuller again. Drew Brees again. Rashad Perriman. Richard Sherman. Man, I'm struggling. Too much time in books. Julio Jones going to the Falcons. Another Jacob Eason to the Colts. And Leonard Fournette. Not a great pack to start us off. I'll throw the hit at the bottom. It's really easy to tell on these, so don't buy these off eBay. Or I should say loose packs. Jerry Jeudy, another one, going to the Broncos. It's one good thing about illusions. You know you're going to get at least some of the rookies. Cook to the Vikings. Kyler Murray. Another Darrington Evans from App State. Tannehill and Bridgewater. I feel like we're getting the same cards. I'll know we're getting the same cards if we pull a Joe Burrow in the next couple packs. Oh, there we go. We haven't pulled him yet. Nice. Chase Claypool. Hasn't done much tonight, but he has looked good. Nice hit, Steelers. James Conner. Also Steelers. Hopefully he gets healthy. I need him for my playoffs in fantasy. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Nice. Jordan Love. Astounding. Throw that in a penny sleeve. Nice. I like the look of the acetate cards. I know some people aren't a huge fan, but I do like them. I like the look of really illusions in general. DeAndre Swift going to the Lions, and then Keenan Allen. There we go. The real question is, when is Jordan Love ever going to play, especially with this man in front of him? That's a really cool card. Marvin Jones, Lions. There we go. The big one, Justin Herbert. Heading out to the Chargers. Great hit. First Herbert. There we go. Yesterday was just a setback. Just a setback. And that is going to Gene. Nice hit, Gene. Keep them coming. I will try with the packs. DK Metcalf. Matt Ryan. There you go. Another Packer for you. Jordan Love. Well, same Packer. There you go. There you go. Now this pack's just falling apart. Laviska Shenault. Heading to the Jags. Nice cheap one. Heading to the Jaguars. I do like Laviska Shenault. Gilmore to the Patriots. Von Miller for the Broncos. There we go, Chargers. Another one. Nice hit. Nice mystique, Justin Herbert. Wow. There you go. Two really good rookies. On the acetate, you only get 2 a box. Nice Herbert. Way to go, Chargers. It's been a good box for you. Here we go. Gardner Minshew and Denzel Mims to the Jets. He's started to play really well, too. Cool, it's going well. Still waiting on little 2 action, but 2 box in, not much to complain about. T. Higgins to the Bengals. Another Cole Kmet to the Bears. Dak Prescott for the Cowboys. Darius Slayton to the Giants. Nice Chase Young. Again, heading out to the Washington football team. And our hit is going to go to the Ravens, Devin Duvernay. Great expectations. Here you go, Ravens. Got a little ding right there in the corner. I have found quite a few dings in Panini products this year. Been a little disappointed. I mean, none of them quality control has been great, but I had one Panini Gold Standard that was just like, it was torn to shreds. Triple jersey. I mean, it's not like it was an on-card auto or anything where it got messed up on their end. Just completely destroyed. Wasn't a break though, so I sent it to them, I showed them, and hopefully they got it fixed. Thanks everyone for joining me tonight. I do appreciate it. We'll see, have you all keep me updated on the game if Steelers somehow choke it away. Nice Gardner Minshew to the Jags. Another Denzel Mims rookie. Stephon Gilmore. Cam Akers for the Rams. Adam Thielen for the Vikings. And a Zach Moss, our first Zach Moss, heading to the Bills. I was a big Devin Singletary truther last year, so not a huge fan of Zach Moss, but I didn't invest too much in him. Card-wise, anyway. Daniel Jones, Giants. Another Devin Duvernay heading to the Ravens. Derrick Henry. Man, Packers cleaning it up so far. Living Legends. Aaron Rodgers. Nice job, Pack. Ryan, way to go. That's cool. Cool card. Like I said, I really like the acetate design. Future Defense Player of the Year, TJ Watt. And then Captain Morgan for the Jets. Well, he's probably out of a job sooner rather than later, so unfortunately, with them losing, they're pretty much going to get Trevor. Khalil Mack for the Bears. Jalen Hurts, possibly quarterback of the future for the Eagles. Nice hit, Eagles. There we go. Von Miller for the Broncos. Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Drew Lock for the Broncos. And a Henry Ruggs, our first Ruggs of the night, heading out to the Raiders. Yeah, Ryan, you are doing well. Let's see if we can get you a jersey or an auto here for the nights out. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. Looks like we got our second acetate card. Richard Sherman for the 49ers. Kyler Murray. Cardinals. Astounding. Again, Colts. Colts with another acetate. I went Peyton. And now Phillip Rivers. Astounding. Phillip Rivers. Here you go, Colts. Anthony McFarland and Todd Gurley. That would be the cherry on top. Wouldn't it, though? Starting to worry a little. We haven't seen Tua. And there we go. Our second Herbert Chargers. Nice. By second, I meant third. Third Herbert in 2 or 3 boxes now. Chargers doing well. Deshaun Watson, OBJ, Baker Mayfield, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, our first Chiefs rookie. He cost me so bad in fantasy this week. So bad. I still forgive him, though. And then Kirk Cousins, who also cost me in fantasy 1 week. So, I don't hold a grudge. Not at all. Come on. There we go. Colts. Another Michael Pittman. Taysom Hill. Saints. Bryan Edwards, rookie, heading to the Raiders. Ben Roethlisberger to the Steelers. Jalen Reagor. First Reagor, heading to the Eagles. And our hit, that's the right color for a Joe Burrow. Cole Kmet for the Bears. I guess, man, I'm colorblind. Nice hit, Bears. Great expectations. Again, bottom left is chipped. Come on, Panini. Come on. There we go. Nice hit, Bears. Cole Kmet. Rough start, but he's kind of turned it around last few weeks. At least not fumbling games away. What are the Bears doing, though? What's the long-term game plan there? It's like you're not rebuilding, but you're also not good enough. Look at that. A couple of the packs are outside the little. Don't know what that means. Ryan, thanks for the subscription. I do appreciate it. I broke a lot a while ago. I'm still waiting to see if card prices come down. It's just really hard to get product right now. It's any sort of reasonable when, one box is going for $1,000. Can't really do it. Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Another Helaire. Another Cousins. Another Fournette. Jalen Hurts. Again, Eagles. Last few packs have been good to you. I guess I should move this there. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Buccaneers. And Richard Sherman. We are still waiting on a little bit of Tua. Sorry, I was checking my phone. I got a card up on eBay, a Joe Wiseman patch auto. I know it's basketball, but $2.99 bid right now, so I am excited to see what that goes for. Thielen, another Zach Moss to the Bills. Julio for the Falcons. Stud. Charger, another one? No. Keenan Allen, still stud. DK Metcalf. And then Matt Ryan. Matt Ryan and Julio in one box seems like that's how it should be. Come on. Packs are just like tearing. TJ Watt. Stud. Captain Morgan again to the Jets. Lamar Jackson. Man, Bengals. Nice. And Ryan, I think you can see through that a little bit. See who that is. Nice mystique to the Bengals. Bengals are doing well. Dolphins, I'm hoping for you. Hopefully Absolute can be a little nicer to you. Or at least the last few packs. Not been great. Nice hit, Bengals. Then, Jordan Love for Ryan. And then Gardner Minshew for the Jags. Mike Glennon will come take his job. Drew Lock, Broncos. Ruggs, our second Ruggs, going to the Raiders. Jacob Eason, I think it's our second or third, going to the Colts. Denzel Mims, bunch of rookies here, back to back to back. To the Jets. Daniel Jones for the Giants. And Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. I swear, Daniel Jones looks so much like Eli Manning. So much. Except for he can run. Should have another acetate in this pack. Another one. Bolts, you are doing well. Rager to the Eagles. Eagles are starting to rack them up too. Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Antonio Gandy Golden, Washington football team. It's your first Gandy Golden. Ruggs, our third Ruggs. Kyler. And then Justin Herbert. Another one. Well, it looks like they might have shorted us an acetate card here. Or maybe it's in the same pack. I don't know. But we definitely did not get our full allotment if we don't pull it in this pack. Come on. Trying to be gentle. There we go. I don't see an acetate. Yep, they definitely shorted us one. That's not great, Panini. Come on. McFarlane for the Steelers. Todd Gurley for the Falcons. Marlon Mack for the Bears. Derrick Henry for the Titans. Let's see, Gray. I don't know. Joe Burrow. Nice, Bengals. Man, killed it. There we go. Great expectations, Joe Burrow. And again, bottom left has a ding. Bengals with Joe Burrow and Higgins jersey in our illusion packs. Way to go, Bengals. Oh, there we go. We're back. Let's see. Yeah, Jamie, you are tearing it up. Tearing it up with the Bengals. And Colts. Pretty good hits there, too. There you go. Nice hit. Nice hit. All right, so we are on to some Absolute. So the Absolute boxes, they have one autograph or memorabilia card per box. We're looking for some kabooms. I would be so stoked if we pulled some kaboom. Like I said, it's like the one thing in cards I haven't pulled. I've pulled one of ones. I've pulled printing plates. I've pulled NFL logo swatches. Pretty much everything, but the elusive kaboom, if you will. Okay. Just reorganizing really quick. I won't do a full review just because there are so many rookies in these two products. I'll do a review of the big ones though. And again, I'll get these shipped out tomorrow. Sanders, Hopkins, Bradford, or Darnold. Jeez. Flashback. Finally, Dolphins get something. Dan Marino. Fantasy flashback. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Gross Matos for the Panthers. Come on. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Pulled a few of him so far for you. And then CeeDee Lamb. I think that's our second one for you. Nice Lamb. Yeah, Kaboom Rodgers. That would be nice. Or, Justin Herbert. I'd be happy with that too. I know you wouldn't be, Ryan, but love to pull that for the owner of the Chargers. If you want the Kid Reporter cards, let me know and I'll ship them to you. J.J. Watt, Derrick Henry, Julio, Green, Jeff Okudah, KJ Hamler for the Broncos, another Denzel Mims to the Jets, Eagles, Quez Watkins, and for the Jags, Jake Luton. My only complaint about Absolute is I really wish it had more NFL jerseys. I feel like there's just too much like combine and college jerseys. Derek Carr. Man, I can't read these. Debo. Dwayne Haskins. Stargazing. Michael Thomas. Nice. Nice hit for the Saints. AJ Terrell for the Falcons. John Hightower the fourth for the Eagles. Dolphins. Noah. Yep. And then J.K. Dobbins. Are Stargazings rare? I haven't really seen many of them. Probably not. All right. Again, Kid Reporter cards. You want them? Let me know. Saquon. Carson Wentz. Christian McCaffrey. Another Christian McCaffrey. Christian McCaffrey green for the Panthers. Xavier McKinney for the Giants. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Cam Akers for the Rams. First Rams rookie, I believe. No, he pulled a Van Jefferson. And then Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. Halfway through box number 1. Doo-doo-doo. Edelman. Minshew. David Johnson. Introductions, finally. There you go, Dolphins. Tua Tagovailoa. Nice hit, Dolphins. Oh, come on, there we go. Introductions. There you go. Sweet looking card. Made you wait, but at least you got a good one there. DJ Dallas. Patrick Queen. Jake Fromm for the Bills. And AJ Epinesa from the University of Iowa. This one feels thicker. We'll save that one for last. Okay. Godwin. Hill. Jared Goff. Ravens. Red Zone. Lamar Jackson. Nice. Cool card. Cool card. There you go, Ravens. Isaiah Simmons. He's playing quite a bit for you, Cardinals. Chiefs. Can it be Clyde? No. Willie Gay for the Chiefs. Saints. Tommy Stevens. Lions. Jeff Okudah. 2 packs left. Still waiting on... Well, we got Tua. Still waiting on the other big names, though. Fitzpatrick. He went back in, so I was happy to see that. I was a little nervous. Eckler. Thielen, who's been a stud. Nice green, David Johnson from the University of Northern Iowa. C.J. Henderson for the Jags. Kenneth Murray for the Bolts. Darrington Evans for the Titans. And let's see there. Juwan Jennings? Sorry, 49ers. I don't know who that is. This should be our hit, and it is. A little thicker there. Okay. Bobby Wagner. We'll go that. Julian Edelman to the Patriots. Ben DiNucci for the Cowboys. He didn't last long. Nice. Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. I think that's our first Jefferson. Darrell Taylor for the Seahawks. And Neville Gilmore for the Colts. Cowboys. And our hit. Number 1. Probably Joe Burrow then, wouldn't you think? No. Absolute burners to the Chiefs. Mecole Hardman has a weird number 1. Chiefs with the hit. Absolute burners. Cool look. Nice hit, Chiefs. There you go. Mecole Hardman Jr. I do not know why they picked him as the number 1 card in the product, or in that line. And that is going out to JH. Loyal fan, and he pulls everything. He has the Bears too, so he has 2 of our hits so far. He always does it. Always does it. I tell him to share the love. Never does. Okay. Whoop. Box number 2 of Absolute. Again, I got the Immaculate Collections basketball. If you want in, we're doing 20. A random team. High risk, high reward. Like I said, that's the same product I got my Wiseman in. Todd Gurley going to the Falcons. Peterson as a Washington football team member. Mayfield. There you go, 49ers. Fantasy flashback. 61 points. Now that'd be a good fantasy outing. 289 yards, 3 touchdowns, and 14 receptions. That's a good day. Kenneth Murray for the Colts. Jeez, I keep saying it. Bolts. Darrington Evans for the Titans. Juwan Jennings for the 49ers. And Antonio Gibson. Hopefully he gets healthy. I need him for fantasy. Okay, let's head back a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's been a little slow tonight. Miles Sanders, Jackson, Gronk, Green, rookie, Juwan Jennings, 49ers, Colts, nice, Colts, jeez, I'm struggling. Nice hit again, Chargers. Man, this has been a Justin Herbert break. There you go. All we need is the memorabilia or the auto. We've done well. Darnell Mooney. That's not bad either, to the Bears. Nate Stanley from the University of Iowa for the Vikings. And Isaiah Coulter for the Texans. Okay, Hopkins, JJ, AJ Green, Stargazing, Lamar Jackson, Ravens. There you go. It's kind of like a throwback look. This is like what I'd expect like early 90s cards to look like with that little shimmer. There you go. Van Jefferson for the Rams. Gladney for the Vikings. Brian Edwards for the Raiders. And KJ Osborne also for the Vikings. And that one feels thick. Kind of hoping not to have them all have one feel thick, you know? Auto versus memorabilia. Debo, Saquon, Sam Darnold, CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys. Introductions. There you go. I'll put that in the sleeve. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Michael Pittman for the Colts. Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. That actually turned into quite the good run of rookies there. You know, a lot of those rookies, you know, oh, that one feels thick too. Maybe I'm just losing it. You know, a lot of these rookies, you just don't know who they are. Minshew. Wagner. Julio. Red Zone. Zeke. Nice Zeke. There we go. Wiseman sold for $2.99. Hasty for the 49ers in his Baylor uniform. Antoine Winfield for the Buccaneers. Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Damon Arnett for the Raiders. I will say that last one looks really thick. So maybe we got something like a patch. That'd be nice. Godwin, Haskins, Wentz, Terry McLaurin green, Marlon Davidson for the Falcons, Grant Delpit, hopefully he can get healthy. I got a few of his autos. For the Browns, Tua, there we go. Second Tua. Starting to get a little worried for you. Tua Tagovailoa for the Dolphins. There we go. Pulled quite a few of the big names. Happy to see that. Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. Still waiting on a Kaboom. Still waiting on some numbered, maybe a big memorabilia. Derek Carr, Bosa, Cousins, Green, Von Miller, Tommy Stevens for the Saints, Huntley for the Lions, Antonio Gandy-Golden for the Washington football team, and Jared Pickney for the Falcons. Here should be our hit. Again, it feels thicker, so maybe it's more than just a simple jersey. That'd be kind of nice. Well, it doesn't look any thicker. Probably not. Unfortunate. Okay. Quentin Nelson for the Colts. Unsung Heroes. Javon Johnson for the Bears. Brandon Ayuk. Nice. For the 49ers. Donovan Peoples-Jones for the Browns. He had a big catch this year. Or this week. Thaddeus Moss for the Washington football team. Randy Moss's youngest son went to the University of Maine. Fun fact, where I got my master's. Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rookie force. Going to the Chiefs. And again, Jay with a hit. Back-to-back Chiefs. Chiefs didn't sell for much either. I was a little surprised by that. They only went for like $6. Nice hit, Chiefs. Nice Clyde. Hopefully he does well for me in the playoffs. Like I said, fantasy has not gone great this year. I scored the most points in one of my leagues, and I'm not going to make the playoffs, which is super frustrating. And, yeah, that's really just my main complaint. And DJ Moore was very bad at the beginning of the year and kind of hurt me pretty bad. Got in a hole. Roethlisberger, Slayton, Bridgewater, Fantasy Flashback, Isaac Bruce for the Rams. Obviously, this goes to the Los Angeles Rams, even though he was in St. Louis at the time. Nice Claypool for the Steelers. I got more cards to sleeve than I do not sleeve in this product. Clavlon Chaselin. I tried Jags. Panthers. Derek Brown. I think we've got that one already. Quintez Cephus. There was a lot of talk about him being a dominant force this year, and I haven't seen it. I haven't seen him play much. He had a catch this week though, so maybe they'll start playing more for the future. Granted, they've had tons of injuries at wide receiver. Stidham, Watson, Frank Clark. Nice. Again, Chargers. Way to go. Green, Justin Herbert. Chargers, I do accept tips. Nice green Herbert. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. A.J. Dillon, finally we get back to you, Ryan. For the Packers. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Don't think we've pulled any of them so far, so it's kind of nice to get. And then Cole Kmet to the Bears. Nice hit. Oh, that one's... Time out. Okay. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Amari Cooper, Cowboys. Khalil Mack, Bears. Stargazing, Falcons. There you go, Falcons. Jacob Eason, Colts. Uter Gross Matos. Jerry Jeudy. And a nice CeeDee Lamb. Pulled quite a few CeeDee Lambs too. Quite a few. Still waiting on Kaboom. I want some Kaboom. Stafford, Allen, Kamara, Deshaun Watson, green, KJ Hamler, Broncos, Denzel Mims for the Jets, Watkins for the Eagles, Jake Luton for the Jags, and a Kid Reporter. There we go. Okay. Let's finish strong. I'm still waiting on that kind of breathtaker. I mean, the Joe Burrow's pretty good. I mean, for blasters, you got to keep in mind what you're getting. Diggs, Murray, Chubb, introductions, Chase Young. Nice. Washington football team with the Chase Young. Here we go. AJ Terrell for the Falcons. John Hightower, the 4th for the Eagles. Tua? Nope. Noah Yep. And then J.K. Dobbins. All I'm saying, Absolute, is that Illusions, I feel like, has treated us a little better so far. Another Epinesa. Rivers, also from the University of Iowa, George Kittle. Drew Lock, Red Zone for the Packers, Aaron Jones. Red Zone, Aaron Jones. DJ Dallas, Patrick Queen. Jake Fromm is going to be the next one. What do you know? Jake Fromm, AJ Epinesa. It's the exact same order we had in a pack earlier in the break. 2 packs left. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. If you don't at least get a rookie, I'll send you something. Juju for the Steelers. Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Green, Frank Clark for the Chiefs. I feel like we've had this pack before. I believe the next one is Justin Jefferson. There we go. Ben DiNucci, then Justin Jefferson. Let's see if I can memorize him. I don't. Taylor for the Seahawks. And Gilmore for the Cowboys. Last pack. Hit. There will be a hit in here. Again, nothing super crazy in terms of thickness. But let's finish strong. Come on. Rookies. Xavier McKinney. Jeremy Chin. Cam Akers. Keyshawn Vaughn. DK Metcalf. And that purple probably means it's going to the Ravens, but we'll see. A.J. Brown for the Titans. And no, Jerry Jeudy, Rookie Force. Oh. Unsung Heroes, Ryan Tannehill. And then Jerry Jeudy. There we go. That is all she wrote. Nothing super crazy, which is a little disappointing. Pulled a ton of rookies, though. Ton of rookies. I will do a quick recap here. And we will get set for the next break. So let's see who had the Broncos. Andrew F. Andrew F. hitting some late last pack mojo for himself. All right, so these are our big hits. We pulled a ton of rookies, so if you missed it, you can go back and watch it, but I got a ton of stuff to sleeve, so I'm not going to go through each one. Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Chase Young, Washington football team. Justin Herbert, green, heading to the Chargers. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, jersey for the Chiefs. Tua for the Dolphins. CeeDee Lamb for the Cowboys. Justin Herbert base. Mecole Hardman Jr. for the Chiefs. Tua Tagovailoa for the Dolphins. Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Bengals really slowed down on those absolute. Sorry, Bengals. Justin Herbert. T. Higgins acetate. Come on. There we go. Great Expectations. Cole Kmet to the Bears. Justin Herbert base rookie. Astounding Phillip Rivers for the Colts. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Devin Duvernay jersey for the Ravens. Justin Herbert Mystique. Justin Herbert base. Astounding Jordan Love. T. Higgins for the Bengals. And a Joe Burrow for the Bengals as well. Bengals did well. JH did well. Yeah, and the Chargers did well as well. So that is all she wrote for football. I'm going to sign off for a second here, get settled for some Panini Immaculate. It'll be a quick break. There's only, I believe, 5-6 cards in here, so it will be quick. If you want in, I do still have some spots left. It is $20 random team, and it goes to their current NBA team. So if you're interested, throw your name in the chat, and I can get you either my PayPal or my Venmo. But if not, we'll get breaking in about 10 minutes. Thanks, everybody, for joining me. I do appreciate it. I will get everything sleeved, shipped out tomorrow. Yeah, I'm done with my